Ninjas, crypto may make you massive gains, but always remember that crypto is unregulated and is highly risky activity. Although you could get gains, there is a real risk that you could lose all your money too. So do your own research and be careful. Not investment advice, this is just entertainment. Thank you.
I gotta say, I'm loving this series of videos, me revealing my portfolio to you guys every single week, so you guys know exactly what I'm doing with my coins, what I'm buying, what I'm selling, what I'm holding. Actually being quite fun, and you guys have been loving it. As I say, loving it. I love your support. Thank you guys for always staying next to me and liking, subscribing, commenting all the videos. That video got like 100 comments, was just crazy. A lot of you guys actually got a lot of tips for that video. So gotta say, the first one, the second one got a lot of views as well, a lot of likes, a lot of engagement. So gotta say, thank you guys as always for your support. Now, what we're gonna do today is gonna be video number 3 on revealing my portfolio, telling you guys, as I say, telling you guys what I bought, what I sold, what is happening, how much money I lost, how much money I make. I'm gonna do that every single week, so you guys have a referral or kind of a point of view from all the traders. Why do they do it? Maybe it's gonna be beneficial for you, maybe it's just a waste of time, or maybe you just like to see other people's wallet. It is what it is. Anyway, that's what we're gonna be doing there today. I'm actually gonna give you 3 tips on 3 projects that I'm gonna be buying at some point. It's gonna be at the end of the video, so make sure to watch that as well. I'm gonna be doing a little bit of technical analysis. I'm gonna talk about the market. I'm gonna explain you why. I'm gonna show you guys that I lost $5,000. You guys are gonna be knowing why. And it's just been a hell of a ride. So just thank you for watching, and of course thank you for tuning in again. I'm loving you guys going back every single time. As I say, now let's just get it. Now, first thing I gotta say, and I'm actually quite sad about it, even if you don't seem so, because I'm always full of energy, is that I lost $5,000. Yes, it is what it is. I know, but you're gonna say, but I'm gonna explain you why I'm not worried about it. Some of you guys are gonna say, Ninja, why you didn't take profit the last time you were $20,000 up in just 8 days, in just a week? So why I didn't take profit? Well, I'm gonna explain you that in just a minute. Now, as I explained at the beginning of the video, in the last video, so in case you guys didn't watch that, I'm going to leave the link down below. But this is a wallet that I use for trading. I do have all the holdings, which is on a device. It's like a USB's, I forgot, like a cold wallet. So I have all my long-term crypto there. But this wallet I do change a lot. When I feel like something's going to change, I follow the trend on the market. You gotta gonna see that it have some interesting holdings and all that. Yeah, this is not my main wallet. The other one I cannot show you for security reasons, but this one is a wallet that I show all of you guys all the time, and it's been showing it since it was at 80,000. Right now we are at 120, and it's been actually quite well. And at some point it was $150,000, which is crazy. And since the last time I have not bought anything, I have not sold anything, only one BNB more, which I got it because I mean it was just like pretty cheap, and I just bought it. 1 BNB, it doesn't mean anything, but well, I don't even know why I bought it. But anyway, yeah, everything started back in when I actually made the first video 2 weeks ago. You guys loved that video, to say what a video. Just thank you guys for the support. Then we have another update, and the first video actually the wallet was worth $100,000. I did not bought anything, pretty much like nothing. Just take some profit on BNB, some profit on all coins, and it was pretty good. And I actually converted that to stable coins. So $100,000 right here. Then the second week we actually had $120,000, only 8 days. You can see right here from August 11 to August 19. So it was a pretty good week to me. For me, I made 20,000 in my other wallet, the long-term wallet. The whole distance is the cold wallet. I check one time a month, something like this. It was quite well as well. Well, since I'm not done too bad since then, actually I went down to around 112,000, but today it's around 115,000. At some point it was 117,000 today. So we are not doing that bad. A lot of people are panicking. A lot of people are just stressing every single day, watching the chart every single day. And the reality is that there is not much going on, guys. It is what it is. You know, the market is dead. We are most likely in a better market, yes. Get used to it. If you guys are panicking right now, wait until you see next year, when since it's just sideways movement all day long, not much going on, you're gonna be like panicking and just everything's gonna look like you're never gonna recover, like all your money is gone if you didn't take profits in old altcoins. But remember that happens 3 times before already. The main markets always end. There is always gonna be another bull run, and crypto is gonna be the future. So don't feel worried. If you can hold, you're gonna be fine. If you cannot hold, well, you are on trouble, because this could actually last up to 3-4 years. We don't know. 2 or 3 years, as I said, there is no one that can tell you the exact date, but it could last pretty long. So you gotta be ready. You gotta have all the ways to make passive income, all the ways to get that revenue to live every single day, waiting for your crypto to go up, because I said it could take quite long. But anyway, I have not had any since the last video, you guys already know. But yes, I'm actually down $5,000. I did not take profit because I'm for the long term. This 150 BNB, I'm not going to be selling at $1,000. That's my profit. BUSD, of course, in my stable, waiting for something. And I'm going to tell you 2 tokens or 3 that I'm planning to buy in the next few days. I'm going to explain you that. I'm going to, as I said, give you some tips as well. ADA, ADA for me feels like nothing. Like I'm holding 10,000 ADAs. It's worth around $5,000 right now, 4 point something thousand. I don't even know if it's gonna recover or not. Honestly, it's the only coin here that I'm worried about. But yeah, now Solana, you can see right here USDT. I actually have USDT as well, a little bit because I don't like to hold a lot of USDT. Mana $3,000. I have 4,000 Mana, which we don't know how Metaverse is gonna recover. All that maybe yes, maybe no. Then we actually have a little bit of Luna, which is pretty much dead, $21. That's just crazy. $500 worth of Luna Classic as well. And yeah, I mean, it is what it is. You guys already saw my portfolio last week. Now, as I said, the reason why I don't take profit to 120,000 is because I do have some target for this token. If I do feel that the market is gonna switch like pretty drastically, I will be actually selling everything to altcoin, to stable coins and then buying again. Because this is a wallet that I do change sometime when I feel like something big is gonna happen. Or if I feel like one coin is gonna do crazy, I change one coin to another one. So try to get that bit of profit. Just to have a little fun and to actually be more like open in this wallet, if you know what I mean. But only staying on the 1 to 50 top coins or altcoins on CoinMarketCap. Don't get too risky going to the 200, 300 because a lot of those are going to be dying in the bear market. Just keep that in mind. Stay on the top. Those are the strongest ones right now. Even though they have more market cap, they are going to be the safest ones. So even though there's less room for gains, they're going to be the ones that are going to be keeping your money safer in the bear market. This makes sense. I'm not exactly sure. If you guys already know that I don't have any BTC in this wallet, I do have some BTC in the other wallet, but I'm trying to get some BTC for this wallet because it could do well in the short term at some point. Now, we are going to be talking about BTC in just a minute. First, I got to talk about Ethereum. Now, today I actually dropped a video on the early access group talking about this, and I'm telling you guys that the merges are coming in 14 days. And that could be pretty good for Ethereum. And of course, for those who actually holding Ethereum. And I'm bullish about that. I got to give you that. My entry, as I say, was pretty simple. I'm going to be buying Ethereum right now because there actually has no break resistance. So if even didn't go back to support again, but resistance actually, we got to break this level of resistance, which actually is been strong since November 15th. So you guys can see it one time, 2 times, and 3 times. We tested it 3 times and it did not break it. So I'm not going to be buying anything until we break that resistance. Of course, now we have the news, which is more powerful than the technical analysis. But many big traders, big whales, big institutions do follow technical analysis. So that could be another thing to keep in mind. But if you actually break this resistance, it's going to be around 1,800, so around $1,800. Actually, if we break above this resistance level, yes, I'm going to be buying some. Not this is pretty simple technical analysis. Don't take it too crazy. I don't use like many complicated names like channels that only dedicate about technical analysis. I only do resistance support level. That's about it. Sometimes I use the RSI, but yeah, pretty little if I think about it. And if we can actually trade in this range for a long time, we don't know exactly. But if I buy at 1,800 after I see a breakout, it could do well in the short term because breakout usually do pretty well. So you guys can see right here, do we have breakout here or here? They actually do quite well. But if the price goes down again, I'm going to be doing DCS. So I'm not worried about that. Ethereum is going to do well at some point. We already know that. So the second token that I'm going to be buying more is BNB. BNB, I'm pretty bullish in the long term. It's the biggest one exchange on the space. I talk about it many times. It's actually one of the safest investments on crypto right now. We know that. Even CS, which is the leader of BNB, the CEO of Binance, he is a great guy as well. So I don't think that this is going to be going anywhere. They make quite a lot of money with fees from transaction with the exchange, which is the top 1 volume exchange in the world when it comes to crypto. So I believe that is one of the safest investment on crypto, and I'm gonna be buying more. I have a bunch. I have, as I say, up to 500 BNB in my other wallet, even a little bit more. Gotta check that. But this one I have 150, and I'm still gonna be buying. I don't care what people say. I know you gotta diversify, but I'm bullish on BNB. It is what it is. I'm actually quite bullish on BNB. And BSC chain is top as well. BSC belongs to Binance, and you know that is a BNB. I'm actually quite bullish on all this ecosystem of the Binance, and I have no doubt on they're gonna do well at some point. So $1,000 is gonna be my first target. I'm not gonna be selling everything, but I'm gonna be taking quite a lot of profit at $1,000. It can be 5 years later. Don't tell me about the date. I don't even know. But that's gonna be my first target. Bitcoin, I'm not an expert on Bitcoin. There's a lot of old YouTubers that follow Bitcoin every single day. I do not, so I'm not the best one to tell you. But yeah, I'm gonna be trying to get some. Maybe it's gonna do well. It's actually quite on the value right now, $20,000. It could go to 50,000, maybe. We don't know. But gonna get a little bit. Let's see. I'm gonna be sure about that. This is gonna be, guys, just a simple video. We lost $5,000 this week. No issues whatsoever. I'm here for the long term. Even we could go down to 100,000 again, and I'm not gonna be taking $15,000 profit. This is what it is, because it's hard to time the market. It's pretty hard. So I just have price target. That's how I trade. I don't trade about following the trend or stuff like this. I have targets, and once I reach those targets, I'm gonna be selling or I'm gonna be buying. Actually, quite mechanic if you put it that way. It worked for me, not for everyone. So some people say 120 was a good profit for 20,000. Put everything on stable coins, then buy again. But you know, I like to trade how I like it. It is what it is. There's no other way around it. Now, that's gonna be, guys. Thank you for watching and thanks for your support. I'm gonna be coming back next week with another update on the portfolio. Of course, as always, you guys are loving it, and I'm gonna be giving that, as I said, to give you my opinion on the market situation, how things are going, how is my wallet, if I'm making money, losing money, if we are going broke. I'm gonna give you all that information, of course. And just like, if you actually want to support the channel, leave a comment down below. It's actually quite appreciated, of course. And subscribe if you actually want to get us to 20,000 subscribers. We have a giveaway coming for the 20,000 subscriber mark. So quite excited about that. And everything else looks fine. As I say, $5,000 down, no big issue. I'm still quite happy with what's going on. The market is going sideways, but it's not dumping, which is better than which is worse than being sideways. So yeah, it is what it is. And yeah, I'm gonna be seeing you guys later. As I say, stay safe, have a nice day, and tomorrow we're gonna be coming with more altcoins. I have a bunch of altcoins coming up with you guys tomorrow on the BSC chain. New projects, pre-sale, ICO, so make sure to watch all that. And all the links to our sources down below, links to Telegram, Twitter down below. We have 3 Telegram groups, we have a Twitter account, and we have a bunch of information for you guys. It's gonna be beneficial for you guys to learn. And if you actually want to learn about altcoins and how to trade, what to buy, all that, make sure to join the Ninjas calls down below. There's some fee, 1 BNB to enter, but it's a one-time payment forever. And there is 66 members already there. Also, those members are gonna be buying our upcoming project, which is gonna be having the seed sale only for those members. So you actually want to join that as well, if you actually want to join the Ninjas gang. Now, I'm gonna sign out right now. Stay safe. I'll see you later, and let me know your opinions down below about my strategy, my account. What do you think? I'm an idiot for not selling, or I'm smart because I'm holding a little bit longer to see how the market goes. That's just, you know, just give your opinions. I'm actually, I'm not sensitive, whatever it is. You should want to see it. Now, stay safe.